For sure, definitely. Are we getting it today? Pak Hui, right?
Yeah, what are you? Yeah, it's today what do you buy? No,
Why to go catfish?
no, left for my one other day because my wife cook a percent back.
Fresh you want to cook?
Yes, but not well, like this, but not now. Let me say weekend time.
No.
But this make a green $1,000. But this is put in bag.
This is the goal right now.
Where's the gold?
Yeah, in there, we sell so much coffee money.
Yeah, right. Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing? I'm here on the Hague jib on the West Coast Demerara. It's Saturday morning. Some of y'all who drink, you're gonna notice by the landmark here, Chinese sports bar. There back here. I'm gonna take you guys down back here. I'll show you the seawall and thing. The area a little bit. Alright guys, so we're going down the Hague Ship Road, the right side of the shop. This is a Chinese bar. The boat are coming. Boat are coming. Boat are service coming back.
Yeah. Morning, man.
Oh.
Tomorrow already. Like 6 o'clock I think.
Tomorrow, sir?
Tomorrow day 19 Monday, Tuesday.
Okay, alright. Yeah.
You know the pandit ballroom? Or she just straight to challenge flower to cover.
Oh. Yeah, that's Pandit Balaram place. Yeah, the view of the Atlantic here. Check out the garland there, boy. Garland of flight. So you got fishing motors coming here, as you can see, but it's late in the day. Yeah, come early in the morning.
And you notice?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
let's pack up at the back here.
Yeah, break and you wash, break. And you get small.
Beautiful view, eh? Look at that.
Back in.
You come to the back here, I don't see the place and then you can stop in at the bar, drink 2 beer. You got some nice coconut tea. I guess if you buy enough beer, you get free coconut. Hey! Yeah, so that little tour of behind here, Gib. Give you a little tour of it. So we're gonna take a walk in the bar. So this is what the bar looks like. Without the music, of course, you'll always have music. Yeah. We got a private land here. So this is a private area. Yeah, a really nice bar at the back here. A Hague gym.
Chinese sports bar.
Chinese sports bar. Yeah. Yeah, so here's a better look of Chinese sports bar behind Hague gym. And I'll show you outside, you got some nice coconut. If they buy enough beer, they get free coconut, right? Yeah. Nice. Yeah guys, so this is place you can come and hang out if you're in this area. This is the barman you're gonna reach. We're gonna take good care of you, right?
Yeah.
All right. So. Alright guys, so I shot a little video there of Chinese sports bar and stuff and a little behind Hague Jib. So it is going out back to the front. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching. Back to the public road.